What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Kendu Inu right now sitting just below a $200 million market cap. Recently skyrocketed up above a $250 million market cap. Nice little healthy pullback. We're going to take a look at the charts, see what's going on there, because here in the last 24 to 48 hours, things are looking very nice. We're creating a nice little support line. And Kendu Inu's main developer went out and made a bold statement and said that Kendu is going to 1 billion by the end of the month. And I think it's highly possible. Even if it doesn't happen before the end of the month, I think it can happen into July for sure. It's because the token itself, guys, is naturally, organically getting in front of some major whales now, right? Like once a token reaches a $100 million market cap, all of a sudden, people start to pay attention, especially the whales. And the whales don't really like to come in heavily until they see a high market cap, good liquidity, high volume, good amount of holders, a growing holder base, right? Like all of these sort of things. And I want to talk a little bit about that in this video because I did go in here on the hour by hour and you'll see here a little bit better what I'm talking about. I'm going to go full screen for you guys so you guys can get a better picture here. So we did send all the way up to 250 mil. This was back 2 days ago on the 10th. Now, keep in mind, we were right in here, right in this range for a little while. We're like hanging right out here. We're bouncing off of this $180 million market cap. Even dipped down below here momentarily to about $146, $147 million market cap, wick down on the hourly, but came back up and closed at like 170 million on this hourly chart back yesterday on the 11th. So all in all, looks really good here for Kendu. I think we're creating a nice little floor here. Nice healthy pullback I think was definitely good to see overall because we couldn't go up forever, right? If you look at the daily, I mean, things were getting kind of crazy with just like the green candles out of nowhere. Now we're creating a nice little floor, right? We're getting to the point where, okay, we've got an opportunity here to allow people who wanted to get in a nice little entry point, right? We're allowing, some others to kind of take a look at this, see if it's a good spot for them to get into. And also, just in general, it's kind of a natural progression for people to take some profits here off the table. And yes, their CEO did make a bold statement, I believe it was yesterday, saying that, listen, Kendu will go to a $1 billion market cap by the end of the month. And he has so much conviction in this project. And I think it's one of the reasons why this community has remained so strong. The lead developer has been very adamant about where this project's going, where they want to go with this, where they're heading. And I think people are seeing that this thing has a really, really bright future, right? So if we look at the Kendu Twitter page, this is their lead dev, by the way, the founder of the Kendu Inu and Kendu Labs. We did just get a listing on Bitmart 4 hours ago, and then Big One had another listing. Exchanges are starting to list these, and it looks like they're listing it for free, right? Kendu also has, looks like some energy drinks here, which is pretty cool. And the Kendu holder count continues to grow exponentially. Lark Davis mentioned Kendu in this tweet. A trader turned 6,700 into 4 million in just 4 months with Kendu. Shit, I could have done that too if I'd have just bought 6,700 when I bought $1,000 worth. But what are you gonna do, right? Still looking really good, and we've added even more to our position since then. Underneath a $100 million market cap. So hey, we're excited about where we're going here for sure. But all in all, guys, we are really, really in a good spot. And you haven't seen anything yet. Kendu to $1 billion and beyond as the all-time highs are being hit. The Dogecoin millionaire, I believe, mentioned it. Kendu sponsoring Miss Nightclub this Friday in Sydney, Australia. That's pretty sweet. And yeah, their lead dev is from Australia, which is pretty interesting. And unbelievable. Over 9,000 on-chain holders in a relatively short amount of time. Almost 10,000 now. Volume has remained sky high on Kendu. I'm really bullish on this project, guys. I don't know how else to tell you guys this. The natural organic growth of what I've seen here from Kendu just looks absolutely phenomenal, right? And when we put it up here on the chart, we don't have Kendu here on our trading indicator yet, but when we get listed on Bitmart, we should have it pretty soon. So we'll be pulling that up in our future videos, taking a look at what our trading indicator says. If you guys want access to our trading indicator, XT Algo, links down below. The trading indicator is available. Like, look what XT Algo did here, calling Ponky back here on April 12th. 372% move since that call. It has just been an unbelievable upward trajectory. And it's doing this for all your top cryptos. So if you want access to the trading indicator, links down below, a little over $1 a day, 30-day money-back guarantee. Kendu Inu, guys, has quickly become a big part of my portfolio and a crypto that I am highly, highly convicted on right now as we enter this mega bull phase. Let me know what you guys think about Kendu Inu. Links down below. Almost 6,000 now followers over on X. They're growing organically. I love it. Absolutely love it. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.